drones flying over the water of our planet are revealing long-forgotten secrets. These high-tech explorers routinely discover everything from mythical creatures to missing people. And sometimes what they find could change our understanding of history. Number 1. The disappearance of Paula Miranda Rosa has shocked the community of Florida and beyond, leaving everyone searching for answers. The 31-year-old Florida woman has been missing since December 2021, and her sudden disappearance just days before Christmas sparked a massive search effort involving law enforcement, volunteers, and her family. A significant breakthrough was made a year later, when hikers provided authorities with drone images and videos. The footage showed her swimming in the Wekiwa River, inside the state park. Her family confirmed her identity in the images, which brought a mix of relief and concern as it provided a timeline but no further clues to her whereabouts. Authorities found her car in the park, but there was no sign of the missing woman. Since then, theories have emerged that she did not want to be found. Some even say that no one should have seen the chilling discovery the drone made in the river that day, and that Paula wants to remain missing. Her family has a darker theory. They believe the woman has been a victim of human trafficking. What's your opinion about it? Number 2. A chilling drone video emerged from Fairbanks, Alaska. This was filmed by Bureau of Land Management, BLM, staff and shows a mysterious object moving beneath the ice-covered surface of the Chena River. The footage has sparked great curiosity, leaving viewers theorizing about what this strange phenomenon could be. The video was taken near the BLM's Fairbanks district office, looking downstream on the Chena River. One of the BLM employees was responsible for capturing the video and mentioned that the object was very, very far away in the middle of the river, making it difficult to investigate it more closely. Which is why they used a drone to survey the area and do the research. Chilling discovery. The disturbing drone video shows an unusual object moving slowly underwater. The movement and appearance of the object are both eerie and hypnotic. As soon as the video was released, an avalanche of theories emerged from the public. Some people claimed the object could be a large fish or an unusual accumulation of ice and debris. Others leaned towards more fantastical explanations, stating that it could be some type of river monster or an undiscovered creature. Despite the multitude of theories, some experts provided more substantiated explanations. They suggested the object could be a combination of ice, plant material, and debris moving together with the river current. Since the Chena River is known to carry various types of debris, this explanation seems plausible. However, without closer inspection, the true nature of the object remains uncertain. Number 3. Installed and first captured by a drone in the Piedmont region of northern Italy in 2005 is an incredible giant pink rabbit. This art installation was created by Gelatin, an Austrian collective of artists. It is located in the hills of northern Italy, near the town of Artesina, in the Piedmont region. The rabbit, called Hayes or Big Pink Bunny, measures approximately 60 meters in length and is made of fabric. The facility was not abandoned. It was intentionally created as a temporary art piece. The rabbit was initially unveiled as part of an art festival and was intended to remain for around 20 years. The rabbit is a memorable and thought-provoking piece of art, continuing to captivate visitors, especially drone photographers, and provoke contemplations on the intersection of art, nature, and human intervention. Number 4. Nestled in the middle of the wilds of Western Australia is Lake Hillier, with its enigmatic pink color that captivates all who see it. The vibrant color of this saline lake is a mesmerizing sight against the backdrop of lush vegetation. Its peculiar tone is attributed to the presence of microorganisms such as Dunaliella salina and halobacteria that thrive in the high salinity of the water. Unlike other pink lakes that derive their color from seasonal algal blooms, Lake Hillier's distinctive pink hue remains constant, defying conventional explanations. Despite its remote location on Middle Island in the Recherche archipelago, Lake Hillier has captured global attention, attracting curious visitors and researchers eager to uncover its secrets. As drones glide effortlessly over its shiny surface, they capture not only its astonishing beauty, but also the essence of its uniqueness, perpetuating its legend as one of nature's most extraordinary phenomena. Number 5. At the southern tip of Egypt's Sinai Peninsula lies an abandoned cinema nicknamed the Cinema at the End of the World, a silent and strange sight. A drone made this chilling discovery on the edge of the desert by accident. This deserted open-air cinema has yet to see its premiere. Its 700 worn and dilapidated seats languish amid the howling desert wind. It was built by Frenchman Dean Edel in the late 1990s, but suffered a power outage on the night it was supposed to open. No one knows what went wrong, but some say local authorities were not thrilled with the prospect of a movie theater in the middle of the desert and were responsible for the generator malfunction. With its visionary design and unique location, the cinema has immense potential to once again become a cultural landmark and gathering place for audiences seeking immersive experiences. Number 6. The Raketsbrück Bridge, also known as Devil's Bridge, is a historic bridge located in Kronlott Park in Germany, near the border with Poland. It was built in the 19th century, between 1860 and 1861, by Prince Friedrich Hermann. This bridge is famous for its unique architectural design, as it is a thin basalt arched bridge that forms a perfect circle with its reflection in the water below. The bridge is located over a small lake, and its design is intended to create a stunning optical illusion. When the water is calm, the reflection of the bridge in the lake creates a complete circle, making it a very photogenic and attractive place for tourists and photographers. Despite its fragile appearance, the bridge is solid enough to support the weight of people crossing it, although walking on it is currently prohibited to preserve its structure. Raketsbrück is a masterpiece of landscape architecture and is part of a larger park that includes gardens and additional architectural elements. The park is a popular tourist destination, and the bridge is one of the most photographed places due to its unique beauty. Number 7. Apartment in the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most emblematic monuments in the world, located in Paris, France. While most people know the tower for its stunning architecture and panoramic view of the city, few know that it houses a small private apartment on the 3rd level. This apartment was built by Gustave Eiffel, the engineer who designed the tower, as a personal and exclusive space. It is a suite with a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Eiffel used this apartment to receive special guests, scientists, and personalities of his time. Among the apartment's most famous visitors was inventor Thomas Edison. The apartment is modestly decorated and preserved as it was originally, with furniture and objects from the period. Today, it has become a tourist attraction that allows visitors to get a sense of how Eiffel lived and appreciate the view from his private vantage point. Unlike the rest of the tower, the apartment was not designed for the general public, making it a very exclusive and special part of the Eiffel Tower. Number 8. The smaller Trafalgar Square Police Station is a small police post located southwest of Trafalgar Square, near Charing Cross Road, in London. It was built in 1926 and is known for being one of the smallest police stations in the world. It has the appearance of a small cottage and is built into the base of a Victorian-style lamppost. Originally, this small police station was intended to house a police officer or serve as an observation point for officers in the busy square. Inside, there was enough space for a phone and other essential items so officers could respond to emergencies or monitor the area. Over time, the use of this small commissary has evolved. Over the years, it has been used as a warehouse and has sometimes even been used for decorative or supply storage purposes. Although not an operational police station in the traditional sense of the term, it remains a historical curiosity and a distinctive element of the Trafalgar Square streetscape, valued for its size and its relationship to the area's police history. Number 9. The wonderful Baobab tree. Have you seen a tree with superpowers? Yes, you heard right. It may sound strange, but the Baobab tree is a real superhero among trees. It is known to have existed since the time of the dinosaurs, more than 200 million years ago. This amazing plant endures where few others can. Baobab trees can live for thousands of years. The oldest recorded was the Baobab panka in Zimbabwe, which lived a venerable 2,450 years. Dotting the arid African savannas, it is one of the most iconic and useful trees on the planet. The baobab, this colossal plant, has endured for millions of years and has provided sustenance to tribes since time immemorial. The baobab is a giant tree with a very wide trunk that can store water and survive in dry conditions. Even if it loses its leaves for a long time, it can grow back when it rains. Furthermore, this tree not only stores water but is also useful in many ways. Its leaves can be eaten, its fruit is very rich in vitamin C, its bark is used to make strong clothes and ropes, and its seeds are turned into cooking oil. For all these reasons, it is called the Tree of Life. Number 10. Pemil is a natural and tourist destination located in the province of Denizli, in southwestern Turkey. It is known for its white travertine terraces, formed by calcium and mineral deposits from hot springs that flow on the hillside. The name, Pemil, means cotton castle, in Turkish, in reference to the bright white appearance of the terraces. The hot springs are rich in minerals and are known for their healing properties. Pemil is a popular destination among tourists who want to discover the unique beauty of the place and its therapeutic waters. The site is also home to the ruins of the ancient Roman city of Hierapolis, with temples, theaters and baths dating back to the 2nd century BC. Pemil and Hierapolis were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1998. The Turkish government has implemented conservation measures to protect the site, limiting access and monitoring water conditions. Pemil is a beautiful place that combines natural wonders and rich history, offering a unique experience to visitors. Number 11. The Jaya Statue, located in Kerala, India, is an impressive sculpture that commemorates an epic episode in Hindu mythology. It represents Jaya, a gigantic eagle and friend of the god Rama. According to the legend of the Ramayana, Jaya bravely tried to protect Sita, Rama's wife, when she was kidnapped by the demon Ravana. The statue is located at Chadiyamangalam, at the place where Jaya is said to have fallen wounded after the fierce battle. This monument not only celebrates Jaya's loyalty and sacrifice, but has also become a major tourist attraction. The majestic sculpture highlights India's rich mythological heritage and offers visitors the opportunity to immerse themselves in the epic of the Ramayana. Visiting the Jaya statue is an experience that not only connects you with Hindu mythology, but also immerses you in the history and culture of the place. This stunning visual representation of Jaya's courage and loyalty is a living reminder of India's rich epic tradition. Number 12. The Statue of the Fatherland, also known as the Monument to the Motherland or Monument to the Mother, is an imposing sculpture located in Volgograd, Russia. This colossal figure represents a woman who personifies Russia, symbolizing the resistance and determination of the Soviet people during World War II. With a height of approximately 85 meters, the Statue of the Fatherland is an integral part of the commemorative complex. Its design evokes a sense of strength and sacrifice, paying tribute to the millions of people who lost their lives in the Battle of Stalingrad. The statue stands on Mamiev Kurgan Hill, a site that was the scene of some of the most violent fighting of the war. It offers a panoramic view of the city and the Volga River. Visiting the statue of Mother Russia is not only an act of tribute to the heroes of World War II, but also an opportunity to reflect on the history, resistance, and indomitable spirit of Russia. Number 13. A shocking video captured by drones shows us an impressive scene of flames exploding and spinning in a fury reminiscent of a tornado as they advance across vast mountainous terrain in the state of California, United States. In the video, a man describes the scene from his helicopter as the largest tornado he has ever seen. The fire vortices varied in size from less than a foot to more than 500 feet in diameter, and the power of the largest vortices resembled that of small tornadoes. Dry fuel from trees and plants, combined with upward winds generated by extreme heat due to hot weather conditions, contributed to the strengthening of these fire vortices. Firefighters quickly arrived on scene and estimated the fire initially spanned 4 acres, but quickly expanded to 150 acres by the end of the day. Despite its magnitude, the fire did not pose a threat to buildings and occurred in a remote mountainous area. However, as a precautionary measure, California Highway 138 was temporarily closed. Number 14. In the early hours of the morning, an unusual spectacle unfolded in the sky, the appearance of a cloud known as morning glory, a rarity that rarely occurs in the lower layers of the atmosphere before a storm. Surprisingly, these clouds can extend up to 1,000 kilometers in length, sometimes forming up to 8 consecutive rings. Normally, this type of phenomenon is observed in places such as Australia, the United States, and Germany. Although research is being carried out to understand why these unique clouds form, they still remain largely an enigma. The appearance of these clouds is rare in the lower layers of the atmosphere and is generated when low, horizontal clouds pass through different layers of air with variations in temperature and humidity. Number 15. The phenomenon of the red goblins. Also known as lightning bolts, they are electrical discharges that occur in the upper atmosphere above thunderstorms. They are characterized by their red color and are caused by electrical discharges in elevated regions above storms. Unlike regular lightning, which occurs beneath clouds, red sprites occur high above them and are produced due to cold plasma phenomena interacting with warmer temperatures in the atmosphere. Number 16. Introducing the mysterious tomb of Capila. This ancient wonder from the 2nd century BC, during the Hellenistic period, has baffled people all over the world. Located in Turkey, this enigmatic tomb has sparked debates among experts about its origins. Some believe it is Roman, while others remain uncertain. The rock gate, which resembles a colossal entrance, is only a facade. Behind it lies a small crypt that exudes an eerie atmosphere and can only hold a single body. To reach the crypt, one must pass through a narrow, meter-high square hole in the rock door. It's like a scene straight out of an adventure movie. Adding intrigue, at the top of the entrance is the inscription, Eiffel, the meaning of which remains unknown, although some speculate that it could be the name of a Greek commander. What makes this tomb even more captivating is that it welcomes all curious travelers. There are no barriers or guards to obstruct those who wish to explore its mysteries.